Are you a loving and dedicated dog parent, eager to provide your dog high quality and affordable homemade supplements that's made just for them based on their needs? If so, this course is just for you. We are the creators of the Kibble to Raw course that's been helping thousands of dog parents around the world to ditch kibble and feed their dogs a healthy raw food diet. We have been following a holistic lifestyle for our dogs since early 2018, inspired by healing our dog Kimari from cancer. We did so naturally through real food and powerful natural supplements. Over the years, I've developed various formulas and used simple ingredients based on a ton of research and working with our holistic veterinarian to understand our dogs deeper. I've built powerful formulas that are simple and easy to create, that you can give maximum benefit to your dog based on their season of life, based on their age, and based on their individual needs. They are also so much more affordable, and you can control the ingredients and make exactly what your dog needs as an individual. You'll learn holistic protocols, you'll know how to tackle simple bouts of diarrhea without going to the veterinarian. You'll understand how to provide your dog a nice digestive detox, and you'll have all the tools in your hands to create simple, powerful, and highly beneficial supplements for your dog without additives and without spending a ton of money. We've been doing this successfully for years now, and I'm learning more every day. I enjoy this process so much, and I'm so excited for you to have this in your hands. This course includes detailed information on every ingredient we use. Everything is based on simple, real food. Everything is based on what your dog needs as an individual. I'll provide formulas that's worked for us for a long time, like powerful antioxidants, joint support, longevity blends, and also protocols for diarrhea, for cleanses, and powerful singles that you likely already have in your pantry that your dog can benefit from tremendously. You will no longer look at an Amazon cart or an online shopping cart and spend hundreds of dollars just to give your dogs the supplements they deserve. You'll understand how you can create powerful, wholesome, organic, and super affordable supplements simply by using amazing real food ingredients. Our healing golden paste recipe and our bone broth recipe has been a favorite for dog parents for so many years. This course is simple and easy to understand, with detailed and simple instructions, includes all the tools that you need, and everything to get started. You'll learn about the benefits of every single ingredient that you will provide to your dog, and you will be able to decide what's best for your dog. You will not have to look at a bottle of supplements and go like, oh my God, what's in it? And not knowing if your dog's tummy is going to approve of it, because you'll be able to test what actually works for your dog. Our focus is on simplicity, on quality, and affordability. If you are ready to make a profound impact in your dog's well-being through holistic supplements, this is the right course for you. I'm so looking forward for you to experience the amazing benefits and watch your dog thrive. I will see you inside the course.